Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about joins in PySpark. Okay, in PySpark, a join is an operation that combines two or more data frames based on common key or column. This is essentially for data analysis. It allows you to merge data set to gain insight from more related information. Okay, it like basically if you have knowledge on SQL, right? The join on what basis we are doing, it based on it completely based on like common values, common column from both side of the table, right? Here also combine two or more data frame based on common key or column. Okay, basically here data frame is based on data frame. In that data frame we have common key or column. Then we are going to join. The types of joins in PySpark: inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, left semi, and left anti join. Inner join means return rows matching key in both data frame. Common records. Okay, common records is like common record both side of the table. So return rows from matching keys in both data frame. Left outer join means return all records from left data frame and match it right. Okay, and right outer join means it's like reverse of left. So return all rows from the right data frame and match rows from the left data frame. Full outer join means return all rows where there is a matching either left or right data frame. Return all rows where there is a matching in either left or right data frame. Left semi means return only rows from left data frame where the are matching row in right data frame. Return only row from left data frame where the matching row in the right data frame. Left data, return only from left data. Okay, we have cross join also. Okay, with an example I can showcase you. And here, inner join return rows with matching keys in both data frame. Now, this is an example which I have taken. Okay, so in this example, the code is like we are importing the package PySpark.sql, and for Spark section I want to create, I am importing Spark section. Okay, Spark equal to I am initializing the Spark section here. Spark equal to Spark section dot builder app name example get and create. It is going to create the Spark section. Now these are the two data sets. Sample data I have taken. Data one is equal to 1, Rahim, 30. Here 2 Ram 25, third John 35. And same for the second data set. Now I'm creating a data frame here. For this, I have created one variable, column 1 equal to ID name age, and column 2 equal to ID city occupation. Now, if you observe closely here, think like these are the two tables. Okay, ID1 and ID, it is from the one table and second table. But if you observe here, name, city columns are different. Now I want to assign, okay, I'm creating a data frame right now. df1 equal to spot dot create data frame. Data 1 is column 1. Data 2 is column 2. It means whatever data is it treated as data. Whatever column here I mentioned, it treated as the columns. Okay, these are the data and these are the column names. Now I'm applying the inner join. This is the syntax, guys. I'm creating one variable inner join df1 dot join, comma df2 df1 id equal to df id 2 dot df id dot df2 dot id inner. So basically here data frame I'm going to join with the data frame 2 based on the id column, and make sure you have to pass inner here. Now I'm going to apply the when I'm executing the job. Okay, so it is give common record. Okay, inner join. And whenever you want to do joins on what basis, for example, I want to apply like left outer join, right outer join, you just need to change the keyword here. But make sure you should understand the first the join as per these definitions. Okay, for example, here what I'm doing inner join, return rows matching in both data frame, right? Suppose here inner is what it is 1, 1. Okay, so if I'm applying here 1, 1, it is coming Rahim, Rahim, right? So like this is combining the data 1, 1, 2, 2. Two records are only matching. What about the 3? 3 is not there, right? So that is the reason 3 and 4 columns are not coming. So on what basis I am joining this concept df1.id to df2.id. Okay, like this you can try. Now left outer join is return all rows from left side of the table. So here, if you observe here, df.1, df join 2. So here left table is a data frame 1. So it means it is getting all the records. 1, 2, 3 is coming and match with the right. So that is the reason 1, 2, 3 records. Left side of the table is data frame 1. So that is the reason we are getting left side of the records mostly. So right now left outer join is happening here. You just need to change the keyword here. Okay. After this one, I want to show the result, right? So whatever variable you store the result of this join, right? You need to call the df.show method. Similarly, for the right outer join also, guys. Okay, it is getting all the records from right side of the table means 1, 2 only. Why? Because dfd2 is a 2 is the my right side of the table, so it is going to join data frame 2. Now, whatever remaining values are, it's giving the null values if they are not matching, right? So that is the reason we are getting null value. Okay, full outer join means, for example, here full outer join all rows where there is a matching in either left or right data frame. Whether matching rows, whether left or right data frame. So you can try with this example, you get a result. Okay. So left is semi also same, guys. Okay, you need to just change the keyword, and left anti also you need to change with the keyword. But make sure if you understand the definition and by seeing the data only, then you can understand the joins well. And one more thing, guys, you should practice a lot on this one. Okay, if you practice 2 or 3 for 4 times, right? But don't utilize huge data set. Just try with a few records only. Then join concept will be understandable well. Okay. And now real-time example. For example, here in this example, I'm going to showcase you. Okay. Real-time example, sample data set. Consider a company that has 2 data sets, one for employee and one for another for department. Another for department. You want to analyze which employee being to which department, right? So this is the code, guys. Okay. So here employee data is equal to 1, John 10. These are the data set. And I'm assigning the column name, employee name, employee department, and salary. And here I'm creating a data frame for this data set. Okay. Now second data frame department I'm creating. Okay, these are the data set I'm utilizing. Here I'm assigning the column name. I'm creating a data frame. Data equal to data, schema equal to department name. Now same thing applying the on what basis I'm applying the join on based on department ID. So in our join employee department, I have created one variable employee df.join department df. Here employee whatever the first data frame is, right? The first data frame variable I'm calling that employee department ID and department ID dot inner. So this is the syntax which I have utilized. Now you are going to execute this code. It is going to display the data. Okay. For temporary right now, I want to try for the inner join, but rest of if you observe carefully, so similar thing you just need to change the keyword, guys, here in the syntax. Then remaining will come. I just want to execute that join. Okay. Suppose let me cut this one. Okay, 1 second, guys. Remaining you should try, guys. Okay, you will understand well. Okay, now I'm just applying inner join. I don't want this one also. Later we'll remove this one. I just want to see the inner join. Why? Because remaining you should do the as well practice, guys. Okay, then only you will understand the join well. See, practice is first, guys. If you want to understand the join. So if you see inner join records are coming. So what are the scenario? You want to analyze employee belongs to which department, right? So these are the output we are getting. 1 second. I think there are some issue with this one. 1 second, guys. We remove this one also. Okay. So employee ID, employee 1, department finance. So this employee join belongs to the finance department, and David belongs to market, and Rashad belongs to IT. So you like this, you can try for the inner join. Remaining, you can do the practice also, guys. You can execute it accordingly. Okay. Okay, that's all about this section, and I will try to cover other topic in PySpark. Guys, one thing I want to tell you, try to practice a lot on this join. Why? Because this is common scenario in real time, mostly using in our projects. Okay. Thank you, guys.